Suzy, Mama Suzy, Suzy, Mama Suzy, Suzy, you be hypocrite. You be hypocrite. Suzy, Suzy for Belgium. Where they do this thing. Hypocrite. You are an hypocrite human being. Who is here? Oh, you just check that way. Oh. You be hypocrite, Suzy, Suzy. Did you know why I said that you are hypocrite? You not fit take care of your daughter for house. As Edo women bring their daughter come for Europe rich. Edo State women. The women that have children before they left Africa and come to Europe. Almost 20-something years. Almost 30 years now you they spend for Europe. Your daughter still there in Nigeria. Married to a poor, stinking man. You are coming on social media. They call the form you good. You be good mother. You not be good mother. You are not a good mother. Hi, how you doing? I'm just returned. I return. You can see my English now is well, okay, beautiful. The country when I go, now the country where they speak English. You know? Do you know what I don't like in my life? I hate and hypocrite people. You have to take the speck on your eyes away before you ask other people to take their speck away from their eye. Don't be a foolish hypocrite woman that abandoned her daughter in Nigeria for almost 3 decades. 3 decades. Now they go now when you abandon your daughter for Nigeria. You have the audacity to the right for Vera brother platform. You as I don't this, I say, who is this? Who is this woman? An hypocrite. You're picking them forbid abroad. Oh, we were boy. Mama way there Europe. No say what I call you, Mama Suzy, Suzy. No, we are in Nigeria. An hypocrite old woman. Where you not get sense. Happy others, where your own is there in Africa, lamenting, suffering. So for your mind, say your pikin no one can kiss abroad like this. And Suzy, Suzy, hypocrite. You are an hypocrite. I hate hypocrite people. Before you start telling someone else that you have dirty in your eyes, when that person is taking his or her own dairy away, you that tell that person to remove dirty, you will be also removing your own dirty from your own eyes. I don't know, my darling. I don't know. You are asking me if there are children or get father again. If you ask me, who I will ask, my darling. Did you see that? You know, that is that. And then me and they come see talk to Vera. There is some people, they, as Vera they so, now so they. If like, for example, now let's say in 20 years time, say if Vera don't spend a decade for abroad, like since now, Vera will don't spend 10 years for abroad, but she cannot be able to bring one of her children. It's just like Mama Suzy, Suzy. Mama Suzy, Suzy should be around that kind 28 years now for abroad. Yes, 28 years now for abroad. Mama Suzy don't fit carry only one daughter when she born from Nigeria. She don't fit carry her come. She don't have a lot of kids here in abroad. I wear a more bugbe. When they vieta, you vie opo more bugbe. I wear a more bugbe. Also, a Suzy my team will be in Nigeria. Only one daughter. Suzy not fit carry her come. Even before Suzy gave birth to the second child, that's her son. There is some women from Benin. Their children that are already here in Europe. Why is she hypocrite? Why are they doing hypocrite? I love how you do. Godly Rose. Why she be hypocrite? Ah, why are you asking? You can see my English is only. Now let me just test somewhere. When I go there, come back, you see my accent will be all lumily. Now, so my darling, how you did now? Come donate for me, or I need money also, eh? Me wale go from Victor, Victor, you can't donate for me, or as I did, yeah, so I'm broke. I'm a broken ass nigga, man. When I back to me, near Damu with Dioku. As I know they do this to finish now, and they come out. I'm still going out. Let me just quickly just do this one because I will change some bed. Because my bedspread is a lot here, you know. Okay. You know, most of the Kalekwa. As on the time, Kalekwa. You know. Then now, she's talking about Vera. And her daughter in Nigeria. Mama, we don't spend 30 years. 3 decades. A 3 decades make how many years be that? 30 years. A decade make 10 years. The second decade make 20. The third one make 30 years in abroad. Barrister, smoke. I smoke English, my darling. If I don't smoke English, what you gay? Nice English, now we do. This joy and love. You too like play. You like plays too much. You know, say, you like play. Make I speak. Not be these people right there. What are they speaking? What? Oh, how? You want? How? Oh, if you call this country, how? That is how. This is they speak. London, United Kingdom. United Kingdom, where we are. I beg you. You know what I'm saying? I have more go. I feel I want this one. This is my song. Oh. Then, do you know what I don't like? I hate hypocrite people. I don't like it. Before I speak to someone's issue, have to check myself first. I'm going to check on myself. I'm going to examine myself if I'm qualified to put an opinion on someone's issue. Vera, brother, God will bless you. You are the uncle of those children. God will bless you and God will continue to bless you. And there's one thing I want to tell you. Did you see this live video presenter on the street? When you are doing your life, just stay on your own. All of them, they are coming back to store back at you. They will come store you. If you want to do this, your platform is there, your follower is there. You see all this old live video presenter? I swear to God, bro, you're going to open your axe on the air. Utterly, when the wind will blows, your anus will be unveiled. You know? Thank you. And Suzy, this message direct to you. You be hypocrite person. You be hypocrite person. Did you know that sometimes when you are doing live video, everything you talk about that video is you. You. I wonder how people, listen to you. A failure. You are a failure. Mama Suzy is a failure. Maybe if I call you mama, now people say why they call you mama because I didn't when I already they call you. I don't say because maybe we two get crashed. How come they call you and blah blah blah. Not so. You are a failure because you have spent 30 years in Europe. Your Peking never enter flight, say they repatriate and go back. And whenever issue of this come on social media, shut up. Do not talk. Do not talk. You are not asked to the opinion place. No. Did you see that opinion department? Mama Suzy, you are far away from there. Because a lot of people, they are going to look at you and watch you and said, what's she saying? Do you have advice? Do you have brain? Why your daughter is still back home in Nigeria? Why your daughter, why is she suffering? Yes. If you do Oh yeah. There's some maybe other women, they brought their children, like, let's say, what's the, mama, is it Mike? Mama Mike, Papa Kevin, Jama First Lady husband. That woman, now 3 children I carry come abroad. Not be 3 children again, now 3 children carry come abroad. If that kind of woman is talking, then I have to open my ear and listen to that woman. The whole world knows that that woman carry 3 children come. You know? Women, when they carry their children come, now they're supposed to they talk for issue. Not a failure. How can Vera listen to Mama Suzy? Yes, how can Vera listen to Mama Suzy? Because Vera has nothing to take from Mama Suzy platform. Because Mama Suzy, she's a failure. Yes, Vera now, I think Vera now, she go down there, plug a decade, 1 decade for Europe, or maybe like 8 years now, 9 days, almost, they go 10 years. Okay, before you know now, 1 decade, Vera don't knock on for Europe, then they are counting the year. I want you count the year Lily Vera, any year Vera in Nigeria. I want you count a year Lily. You know? Okay. Now, Suzy now don't spend 30 years. No, you say Suzy now will use 20 years. 20 years stay senior Vera for Europe. 20 years or 17 or 18 years. You go use and take senior Vera for Europe. Suzy, where be? Thank you, my darling. Suzy, where be? Yes, she's an hypocrite. Luefi, she's an hypocrite. I hate hypocrite people. As you see me now, people see me now, they'll say, that lovely, we know say lovely, they do, but they always, they with her children. You know? You'll see some women, they'll say, with the children, that they do wahala every day, they'll say, with the children, they'll say the children still there with her. She abandoned her child for over how many years? She never bring her pikin come Europe. One day say her pikin come visit Europe, go back. Then she they advise Vera, or she want go, she they commit. What will be that one? Aren't you ashamed of yourself, Mama Suzy? It's high time. Well, I will bo. Not to call the shout. Well, I will bo. You should not advise people that is even better than you guys. You are the same shoe with Vera. Vera leave the children for Nigeria. You leave your children for Nigeria. Is it not the same shoe? I the same shoe where Vera view where you then where I say Vera only 1 pikin you don't fit carry and come. Now Vera want carry 5 children come. Maybe at the end of the day, everybody is praying that one day let Vera, it might rechange, make it focus on her children. We have do this live video of Vera almost 5 years ago. I think when Vera was on live video, I contribute. I said, Vera, people, they are asking for your account number. Please, can you place your account number on your live stream so that people, they will be calling and give you money so that you go and rent a flat for your children. I said that years back. Didn't I? Okay. Even when I even talk for that, there is a lady that girl, what they call her, Rosemary. Rosemary even just and do live video say, at the end of the day, lovely still even put safe. Yes, like me, Now once now they talk for issue. When we say, now your own team. But if you say you don't want do it, that's your business, that's your kicks. They are not mine. You know? I will get Agboya ko biomo. Yes, Agboya ko biomo. But a mother have to be that number 1 pillar. Then the rest people, they support. Not so. Yeah. I don't understand. Like, Suzy, you be hypocrite. And Vera should not listen to you because you are not qualified to advise Vera. What are you going to say to Vera? What are you going to say to Vera? You have one daughter back home. Almost how many years? Your daughter, she's still there. Hey, rich man, your daughter married. It's not rich man. When you are going home, who deva when na ya pokman, who deva when na ya hokmo, who deva when na ya hwe, who kemana viogiwe. You take it down to this where your mate now for Europe, night therefore welcome their grandchildren. If Vera should listen to your advice, Vera can never even think for her life, say, he go fit bring her children come. Never. Because a failure, not the advice person. If you get brain, you get a person go fail rich. Eh? If you repeat class, you go begin to the pass. Or you expo. Or you expo. You don't even use expo. Did you know, let me tell you, expo, to come to Europe, did you know that there is expo when people enter Europe? Now, Libya Road, Morocco Road, now be expo. If you don't feel pass up, another place, now, expo, that is Appian Way. Appian Way na expo. Appian Way na expo. If you cannot use your brain to do it, then you go have something when you write your district put, when you go carry enter class. You see, huh? You know if you carry your pikin pass Morocco Road, as Morocco Road open rich. And Libya, you know if you carry your pikin pass Libya Road. You can't even afford Libya Road. You didn't afford up. You know if you afford Libya by land. You know if you afford them. Then you are coming out. You want to come help Vera children. God is not going to answer you. Because all where your own man, eh? Don't they born for house? You don't they carry grandchildren. Before you go know now, your daughter will see born other grandchildren. You know if you arrange your whole life. Like as I come there now. You go come say message to Lovely. She they talk. A woman that abandoned child, you go say message to Lovely. Me, mother enter house, you know they talk. If you don't carry your pikin enter abroad, you are not talking. Because I always say, I see people before from Nigeria at that time. I for carry my pikin enter abroad at the Chris. When I know if you carry my pikin enter abroad, but also know, eh? You know if you carry your pikin pass up, you know if you carry your pikin pass road. Now to they talk like, it's a shame. You have to pack off. And when it comes to issue of children, do not put any rubbish opinion because your opinion is not allowed. Opinion nowhere man allowed. Hypocrite. I hate hypocrite people. You are a hypocrite. Maybe why you nanya or more go and I not get children for house. I can't advise Vera. As I just did so, I not get children for house. I'll just come the advise Vera. If Vera want to Vera, so you know the shame. Where your children? When no one more one, now you they advise me. You when you abandon your children. Only one daughter. That way, at the deal with the day I wish that I made the day I wish go carry pikin come. Did you know that this woman, she called me? I thought that this woman, she go bring her pikin come. The fire when I give her the day I wish they go and bring Pisilia. It can't be like say the something they affect. I can't be like say now they talk to. One day night she come call me say pikin they go school. After pikin finish school, pikin will come take masters for year. Me I don't even know say pikin don't even go school safe. Or me ever year school. At the end of the day. Congratulations. What are they call congratulations? Because I say, why are they telling her congratulations? Let me come and check. I thought that the congratulations they were giving her, they don't arrive abroad. I don't know that. Now bullshit. A mother mahin. We don't like her. Even say you got to remember you with your children, they do now better pass. Hypocrite people. When people are so hypocrite, I don't like them. There is an issue. Don't talk. Don't talk. No talk. Etao. Okay. Ask me, you said they donate money for the children years back. What did they use and do? Why their house still be like that? Do you know what? I see Vera like somebody. Vera, I want to talk to you for a year. You know, I see Vera. You be that person when I like. You know, since when you did this social media, you have never insulted me before. You never insult me before. Do they give me that respect? Let me just tell you the truth here, because I'm a mother of 3 kids. And me, as I did so, I get who at the trade for university. Yes. I choose to do it. I don't understand. Children have to be trained. Children have to be clean. Children, supposed to, they give children money, make they take care of their upkeeping. You don't do that, Vera. Vera, do you know what? As I wake up this morning, I saw a video where they talk to KO family. Vera, they talk to KO family. Let me use KO family to enlighten you. Let me use KO family to enlighten your brain. You see KO family. KO family travel all the way from Europe with children. Go to Nigeria. There is nothing you got to talk about KO family at this moment when people go take. Because why? Now your saga, now they grand. So you want to use KO family saga to cover your own saga. Vera, I no go work. I, the barrister, I'm going to tell you the truth. If you want my way. As you see me, so I don't know how to do baby. If I don't they keep fly for your body, I'll show you say I fly, not keep for your body. But not say I don't they slap you for no reason. You are talking to KO family. I say, is this old video or now? At this point, at this your children issue, you are talking to KO family. A woman that's single-handed, pay ticket. Go and check how much is ticket now. Check how much be ticket. Just check how much be ticket now. Go check her. Then, you the Saka woman. You the Saka KO family when carry children go house. Did you know how much is 3 people ticket? How many children KO family carry go house? So calculate it. If you carry small children, with mama, 2 children with mama, you go pay 1,500, 1,800. Instead of you to get up, people they single-handed open platform, they raise money for you. Instead of you to get up and say, the appreciation you will give to these people, that is the first thing when you go open video talk. As you don't talk, so who worry nobody what wawese. Igbinaye ke na mugbinayo. Don't they care where they carry fight, they go. Fighting your sisters, fighting your brother is not going to help you. Because those are your family. As so you with your sister fight, you say, I don't ever top put one day. I don't address you guys' issue because you are from the same father, mother. Even if you are from the same, you are different father or the same mother. As far as that blood they inside my body, you are all family. Even people want to date the same street together. All of us are family. Instead of you, to sit down, say, it's like that children not concern you. Are you kidding? It's like, are you just pretending to just show that part? Or are you, why? How do you think you will escape that place, that particular place? You don't feel escape, Vera. You don't feel escape. Your uncle and your brother, that is your children uncle. Yesterday, they raised money for them for there. People are doing it. Even now, because of you, people, they do one. I always say, they don't see your children. They never know whether your children be like that. Nobody care. Like my children, now nobody know how my children look like. If you like tomorrow now, they give my children name. People don't go believe. People say, we don't know we don't know how lovely children look like. If you like, if you want to tomorrow go talk richness tomorrow, we don't see lovely children. You can say, lovely children, lovely, your children black. Lovely, your children yellow. Lovely, your children do this. People will say, when I see the children, that there is no way people will confirm it with you. Vera, enough is enough. Almost 5 years now. Now they carry your children. Bed come out. Ewe boaji. When you go to a second-hand shop, that is close there. Or why 200 euro? They're like second hand. Because they are much. The children, there are 5 boys. There are 5 boys. Huh? Who like second hand? Even he said, you not go buy. There is a place where they give second hand free. Second-handed clothes free. Bring it home. Wash it. Fold it. People there, when they carry cargo, they'll help you go give those children. Look at what your boys are saying. Those boys, the children don't big finish. This is painful. Okay, but look at the place where your children, they sleep. Where abroad. When I saw those photos, I see the video. Yeah? I was devastated. You didn't try at all. They are your children. Tomorrow night you say, maybe now their papa, you with their papa, una de quarrel. My dear, they be your children. They are too big to take that bullshit. They are too big to take that insult. They don't get beer. And those children, they are still there. I always say now bad children, and those children go be. I'm not sure say those children go there that village again. Lagos not far from where those children dey. Abeokuta, no be Lagos it be. You just abandon those children just like that. I think the last time when you do video, I call and put opinion. I said, go carry flat, decorate the flat for these children. Is that too big for you to do? Why be say if una get problem, I don't solve the problem first. Una go do another thing. No, the children, that insult you are giving that children, the insult is too much. Honorable. Nah. The insult is too much. You see my son, my son, bed spread, I know they let us spend 2 weeks for my son bed. If I change my old bed spread, I change my son bed spread. Pillowcase, I change my son pillowcase for bed. I get extra pillowcase. Because what I do for myself, I do it for anybody that will come close to me. If you want to come greet me now, I will make sure I prepare my bed for you. The way when I tell you sleep now, so I will sit there preparing for you, maybe take sleep. Once I change my pillowcase, I change my son be that. My second daughter, he can change bed spread. He not go reach 4 days. He don't already change the bed spread. Dan, sit for when your children take they sleep. Pillowcase, now 1 week. Now they take they change bed. But my son pillowcase no fit stay for that 1 week. Lie, and they change them. Because me, pillowcase, I don't use pillowcase, they do this thing for 1 week. No. I can use other of my pillowcase now. You see these 2 pillowcase now. I feel put them for my bed. Put pillow. Then I will use another pillow. Another pillowcase. Put pillow. Use that one. If that one don't do, I'll come out that one. Use another one. You see, Then look at the place where your children sleep. That is barbaric. Then they say, now this person, Benjamin. Now Benjamin no, he make her know they take care of her children. Benjamin, where you dey? Benjamin, where you dey? There is something in life when it be say, una no know. Wait till me, I want let una know. Wait till me, I want let una know. If una go Benjamin papa, una go Benjamin, join papa. May I remind you now, Benjamin, Benjamin papa with Benjamin, they not bring money come out, carry go Vera, family go pay bride price. No. Now baby papa na it be. Did you see that? If man, they marry woman when you born before, if papa go talk say, you won't marry this woman when you born before, you go say yes, you go say you go fit take care of her, take care of your children, you go say yes. Papa will say, no be say, you don't marry and call house, you know, cause they take care of those children, you know go good though. Because the day when they pay that bride price, the ancestors of the community, they watch you. I don't even know why you guys are going Benjamin father. Why you guys putting Benjamin father? Never that go me picture no see a big Benjamin fio ni tona. E jeje. Eh? Na bon. Na Vera bon for Benjamin. Ou bien yon bien na, to be honest. Now we say this life, you go me person the talk truth. Did you know that when you start anything that you start with lie, the person can never trust you again. When you start things with lie. These children, when they say Benjamin, and now your stepchildren, Vera never tell Benjamin say he get children. Yes. If he reach court of law, now Vera, if Josh, do you know that she have kids? He will tell her, say, I never knew. She never told me that she have kids. Vera know they try at all. Vera, you know they try. You know they try. One thing I should let you know here, Vera. A stubborn person that they see different stubborn human being. Eh? You can be very stubborn in your family. Fight with your people. Fight your siblings. Eh? When you go outside, the way you fight your siblings, don't go outside and fight people like that. And the way you fight outside, don't go inside and fight your siblings like that. Because do you know why I said that? You know go fit get somebody will be say he go support you. Because sometimes, if they beat you for house, if you don't come out from house, because of the good way you get for outside, if now outside now you day, somebody go sneak you, enter the family house, make you sleep. Because why? For outside you good. You must see somebody when go sneak you, enter where to sleep. People when this was when I thought so. People when be say they're stubborn, they'll say, lovely, you don't lie. You feel they fight for outside now. Your papa feel drive you. Oh yeah, you not go sleep this house today. Because you know they do back for outside, you know they fight for outside. You go see somebody when go carry you put for house that night, you go sleep. You go see if they break, I will carry you go give your papa. I try to stop. Now happy brought that day. Yes, now help. Now he brought that day. Don't be happy brought that day. The phone when brought that day buy. Wait till be that one. Yeah. The boy, the children even talk and say their brother buy phone for the 120. Did you know how much is 50 euro now? 50 euro. 50 euro now. Is almost 70-something thousand. 100 euro can give you 160, 150 now. 100 euro. 200 euro can give you almost 300 or something. What he will just do, where they do bed, he will just do if not double decker, just do one like that, big one. 3 double decker bed go enter that house. There is a way to arrange things for life. Not all the time fight. Nobody said that all they fight. Oh, the nature of fight day. The nature of fight is day. No matter how, you go waka before you go finish. Casino must day, quarrel must day. But you know they continue. I don't understand. Then, if you fight for outside, if you don't go outside, fight for inside, if you don't go outside, you will see somebody who go sleep. You will say, no worry, we go from window enter house. You go sleep. But if they fight for outside, they fight for inside house. It's no good. That is Vera. Vera fight outside. The same time you see they fight for inside house. They know they do like that. Evil person when rugged, you know they fight for house, they fight for outside. You can be fighting for house, for outside. You know, they fight here, they'll say, but this person know they talk. Why in family, they always they pursue one. He get one guy when he be say, he with my daughter, the friend that time. The boy, the guy, now social hard for grow, a group where they put children. But when you see this guy is innocent. So I can't ask my daughter, I say, what did they bring problem between this guy and mama? This guy know they talk. My daughter say, I don't know. You see her? That's what they be. You cannot be fighting outside. The same time you are fighting inside. Like the family now, she dey fight the family. As now, we don't talk say na Vera now, na in come better pass all your family. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once they don't count 4 people for you, say you don't fight them. People begin to talk say you be troublemaker. People begin to talk say you be troublemaker. Forget all those fights. Take care of your children. And those children, do you know the kind of character I'm seeing in that children now? They don't even know the part when they belongs to a game. Those children don't know part when they belongs to a game. If this one tell them say sit down, they go sit down. If that one tell them say sit down, they go sit down. They don't even know the part. The money when their mama they give them, I'm a mother. That money is not sufficient. It's not enough. The money not there enough. In that room, now you know, say, Vera, your children, I don't follow you do saga. You be that one person will be say, yes, I like, bet for this, you have to go and take care of your children. Some people, they say, now, Benjamin, if they give her money, now, Benjamin, they give her money. You don't feel leave Benjamin. You don't feel leave your children. They give Benjamin money. No, you be woman we don't born before. Woman we don't born before. Waiting concern love. Hi love, how you day? More. Woman we like sneak now. Woman go come. Your daughter say, you don't buy my love. Come on for where my children day. For where? What did they happen? For as my son day. So woman will come. Your daughter say, you never bath. Okay, where am I wrong? Where they never circumcise you. Where my boy day, I go choose man. Then I'm going to take care of my boy again. I they take care of my man. What's that? Even if I born for that man, now my first children first, because now they be senior. The one where my first children eat remain, now the last one go chop. Yes. Because they say, na audio ake soin yamio owohan. Just like that time they have. They will pay your school fees, senior school fees before they pay junior o. And at the end of the day, junior will still go school. If they talk say now because of Benjamin. No. And Benjamin, oh yeah, ba me chantamai. I get a mere, you know, I just want to key the truth here. Benjamin. Or maybe, you know, heart of man, heart of men, is deep. Yes, heart of men deep. Where? They say, the widest animal, the most dangerous animal. Now men, now they be the most dangerous animal. Yes. If the most dangerous animal, if they hungry, now you go pursue something. But men, when I know they hungry, but now dangerous pass. Now men dangerous pass animal. When animal they hungry, they hunt. Men they will eat belly food. They go see they hunt you. Oh yeah, ba. I already say cause you hello. Oh yeah, ba. Carry my hello. Men say you any money. You where ya be bet. Or what me genya we dear ya be ni money. We belo any money. Because why? I already no mure be no ebo okidare. Who mirror? Now self now you don't they see. As far as that woman don't already born for you, there is no way your brain go fit escape her. Say Vera get children for Nigeria. Where Danny Imie, where you down ni Vera. Bona Sheki Vera nya Benjamin is a disgrace. Now these people, whether any holy or anyone boy, disgrace. Any hoy, or never boy. Me akereja that go me a bed picture na make o be aurowi. Awo mu picture no so enya mu by ziggy ziggy. Can you imagine? Anuro mi man. No revival lebo. Amu picture no sa buy amu and I buy river ni Germany. Amu picture no sa buy amu buy a ziggy ziggy. This is bullshit. Ola me velo aba. O me velo. Ola me velo. De we odo ko ni nya. Benjamin odo ko ni nya. De ayo nya boyfriend and girlfriend o we be odo ko ni je. We say na boyfriend and girlfriend that day. No. Even Benjamin, let me tell you. The clothes where you still wear in May, still pack them for nylon bag. I don't say no blah. Ona very easy to go. This life now very easy way to go. Now we will be black. Now we just they scatter and market tigon where there. We will come scattered everywhere. The road no will come let us pass again. Even the cloth where Benjamin they wear now. There is a cloth where Benjamin they wear now, we know they wear again. Even if Benjamin get junior one for Africa, he can still, if Benjamin go give a junior brother clothes for Africa. Or if they carry go, as a woman, Vera will say, still giving me, I go give my children. Vera, you know they try. Hi. They boy worry motion, yeah, never me. Children, when people they find. Do you know why this is repeating again? Vera, if you don't do something about your children, this thing will continue to the repeat again, to the repeat again, to the repeat again. Even when you get old, you will continue to the repeat again. But if you fight this fight, finish now as for these children. When it comes to your grandchildren, the fight will still continue again. Because why? You people, you are not treating the case well. By treating anyone, no say. Vera, this is high time. No, they feel say you they do odechi. Your odechi no they enter. Oh yeah, ba. Forget that one. When we talk of rugged, me, I be very stubborn person. You see this thing now. This is where you also. When I also, if my pikin carry and knock me, and they drag her for your hand, use and knock her back. No be saying I'm wicked, I wicked. I want to let her know the pain of that thing. Yes, that is how I do. As I stop or reach. My pikin go carry this one. You go say na fight or stop or this one. You go carry on. You know say the injury go use and take hit me. I go drag her for your hand. I go use and take hit her back. Because if you get mine, take hit me this thing. As my daughter, I will still get mine to hit you. This thing, as my pikin. All those things when they do Vera, you just they do odechi when you they do not the entire body again. Your body language, the laugh when you they laugh. Vera Ojenuweje is a disgrace laugh. Now you they laugh. Go and check your video. There is a video I just can't see. You just they do video. I look you. The laugh when you they laugh now disgrace. It's written disgrace follow you. Why can't you quit? All those bullshit, this mess up. Are you going to tell me that you were 500 €500 where you were don't you where were real 100 euro now? Buy 500. You don't get 1 million naira. Be that. Hi, how you doing? Whether papa or not they work. Which work? That one want work. When you want to take care of Peking. 5 euro now. If you can't 5 euro, go Nigeria, you go rich person take a pot of soup. Yes. Papa, you're not the work. Is that what you are saying? Now so you they talk. You now, you married, you be married, Evon Love. Let me correct you here. You are a married woman now, or I don't know. Maybe if you be single or you marry, even when you are single self, if you even get boyfriend, the man go they help you. If you as you there now, you be woman, you get husband, you get children. Your husband will give you 100 euro now take go market. As a woman, you must still find a Jonah. As a woman, you must still find a Jonah. Now you see some man go say, now try to give you why fish come to inside the soup. He go ask you because he don't know how much when he give you, make you take go cook. Go ask you, say, I put my own journal now. If woman they go market, you must get extra. You must get extra. If you get husband, so your children now, not only your husband they take care of your children, not only your husband, you the John, your husband. You know how time he say they are your papa, you know they take care of Ayo. You know as Nigeria may be, when it comes to sometimes, Nigeria men they go waka, leave children. Not be today. Ayo papa will not be this, not be starter. As far as say, the children now don't get little help for people. What is their mama supposed to do? Their mama supposed to add in old Jonah. She said she they send money go give the children. Money when Vera they send go give the children, no reach anything. Truth should be told. Money no reach anything. Children. No. See where those children they sleep now. Don't tell ourselves the truth now. Let's say the truth. They are not using children to fight dirty fights. Now they use children to fight dirty fights. If you see this fight where they fight so, before his sister they come settle, they don't bring the matter on social media. I don't understand. They don't bring the matter on social media. Not be another matter, not be bring matter on social media. Okay, at the end of the day, her sister born. Not because of that children. Now because of the children, now Sarah with Vera, they get problem. When Sarah carried the children, carried their picture at that time, something like that. I think whether Monica used to do video, me I not go lie, I don't know who used to do video. Before they use that children they fight. Because why? Now the children now it bring problem. If you see these children now when this home come again, where those children they sleep. Now see the fight when they ground before say they know they take care of children. Now they still carry come. Do you know why? Let me tell you for this comment that you put in for love. I will say yes back. Say Vera, they happy children. You see this mess up when they carry come. So my sister, therefore not carry and come. Therefore they not go see and carry and come. The something still repeat itself again. The history still repeat itself again. The history will continue to repeat itself. Because why? They know the correct one. Vera not the correct one. If Vera the correct one, you see this bed when they show just back. Now the bed, now they see the show now. You are saying that they are using this one to fight her? No, let's be honest. They are not using it to fight Vera. Because if you say that they use these children, then they fight Vera. Now these children, no be fair bring matter for social media. When Sarah, they say he pay Monica for the children. Later, when fight still come, Ojolove still go video the children. I think of Ojolove went to go and video those children last 2 years. The place, they don't see control and where. They still go the third time. Man, Evan Love, use your brain. Daryl, use your brain. You check on now. The time when they say Monica, fair use and do video. When fair use and do video, you don't even day like this. Now the children, the way of the children's life is not good. The upkeeping of those children is 0%. Then Sarah now carry the matter, go give this person, Monica. Even when Monica still do that video, Uncle Faye still do the video. Now they still the say children matter now they come. Before they can go bring where those children they sleep to tell people say I know we not just they beat our sister for say we want beat her more. She know they take care of her children. Did you see it? That they bring proof. The proof they bring during the time when Monica do video that time. Let's be honest. The proof when they carry come when Monica do video that time is still there. Later, they can still get problem when Sarah with Ojolofe they quarrel. The children Ojolofe say grace. Go there. They still video the same house when Monica Fete do video. But like say Monica all that time say now the children I come out. Now the children, but like say that house still come out then. I beg, Evan Love, just the remember the one when I forget, please just the remember me. If I forget some, if I read your comments, then I will know how to respond. You know. Then during of Monica, they bring the children picture. Talk after Monica they call for a fair I think picture still interrupt for a fair they still bring picture. When they get problem with Ojolofe, when they fight, Ojolofe say grace go. Do you understand? They say go video the something. Ojolofe still get her. My sister, I always say when they tell Vera, he work on it. They're not going to bring the same thing they come. They're going to carry the same thing they come. The same thing they come. She didn't work on it. They are not using it to saga her. This saga with their grand so, when Vera with his brothers they fight with Sarah. Now these children, right from the beginning, right from the time of immemorial. Now this saga of children, now they grant. Yes, now the saga of these children, now they grant. If this saga should off now, in 2 years' time, the picture will still reface on this head again for platform. Yeah. Explain now. If Vera stay there, Papa at your house, now Vera go take care of the children. Okay, you say if you don't comment the comments, I'll be the read your comments. You know? Can you write that comment again, please? I don't know why you delete the comment. You can write that comment. It's like it's going to help on this issue. You know, we know that they talk back. That comment is going to help. Make I read the just use them to pay what so sound good for Vera. Yes, my darling. Yes. We know that you know say for this platform, we know they do baby here. As they show now, so we take they talk. Yes. I know they do baby. If you are my friend, you are not doing well, I will tell you. If you be my enemy, you they fight, they see they beat you, I'll come to say what they say, that is how I do mine. You know, okay, I will write it again. Okay, yeah, write it. I was trying to read it. I don't know what happened. This something just left, you know. Yes, you see her now, Evan Love. Check it. These children, now bring matter come. When you go look their sister video, they say when she enter abroad, she not take care of children, she begin to the bone. Those are 5 children. Those are when this issue stop. Don't be said they even say bring money, make other children take it when they get the same papa, the same mama. No. Now for her own children. Which women will call Europe that time. And we see a lot of women will call Europe that time. You get one everyday market. Then for Padova, they do the everyday market. I don't forget, it's long time. We go come see women. That time, cloth now, this thing, 50, now lira that time. And chiquanta, 5 lira, big waiting that they call on 5 lira. Now the whole pack lock, they'll call the selector, they'll select together. The women, they will go give their children that time. It gave people when they say that they deliver food. The one where Mama Rosie they do. If he buy her, he go carry her, give her address, he go give the children. Because there is a lot of things, the way to help those children, for their mother to take care of those children is very easy. Very easy now. When you talk of food now, every month, or every 2 months, Vera will just get person when you go they deliver food to those children. People that food that they bring that time, eh? You don't tell. They will bring rice, half of beans, this, that, then. Somebody they use 40,000. When you pay 40,000, they will deliver the food anywhere. And it's still there now. She can do that. Yes, she can do that. For taking care of children, there is no excuse here. Excuse not just there to take care of children. They are not using the children to bully this matter to they draw Vera. I will say, Vera, they try. Because, I will say, Vera, they try. This bullshit of those children. You know what they call live video? Once they don't reach the house, wow, the place fine, though. When I got the video again, is before their brother said they bring this thing on, the same way when it be years back. That is still be for years 2024. Vera want to correct her. You know they correct that bullshit. Vera need to correct it. To be honest, we are all mothers. To be honest, now mothers will be. Yes, no, they talk truth. See where children they stay. The ceiling is kaput. As let that one talk. The window, how much to fix window? I think that house where those children there, I think that house should be their family house. Because if that house now rented house, we say they renter. I think those children, therefore don't tell them, say, make they come on. They don't fit pay house rent. I think the house is for their father. It's a family house. That is why that house, they say they repeat and they show. If now they rent that house, maybe therefore not, they don't see, say they don't see money to pay house rent. More they tell ourselves truth. Vera, this is the high time. Forget fight. Forget to they follow your sisters, they fight. The fight, when I say you with your sisters, they fight, not children. At the end of the day, you with your sister, una fight. Before una know, una settle back again, matter go. Then when your sister born now, you carry your sister piki con, you come the sagara. And you forget, say, the same matter when you make Sarah come the saga you that time. That place, you not clear that issue. You didn't clear that issue. They want to beat you again. They still go carry the son to still beat you. Stella Frank, thank you. To be honest, that is it. Monica, don't forget to do video. Everybody shout. Years back. Did you know how many years now? Up to 5 years now. 5 years, something not they change. Error surplus. If you carry 100 euro, go house now. 100 euro, they give you 170. No matter how, say, for example, did you know that there is a lot of people when be say the money when they pay for child, for here. So people they use on table, they take care of their children. Okay, let's go this way. There is some people where they Europe. They not first born from Nigeria before. They get family for house. They be single mother. The money when they go give their father take the chop. Where the money for they come? Now the money when they pay children. Now the money for they come. They go see squeeze come out. After all, they see squeeze come out. Go give their family. They go see squeeze come out. See go to pay their brother's school fees or their sister's school fees. I mean, no say most of single mother when they here, that they pay school fees for their siblings. When you even look at those children, because these children, they didn't go to school. They don't speak well. They don't know how to speak. No, we are not talking about English here. Even to even speak, say, they want to introduce themselves, or you tell them, okay, this thing, how it be, it's very difficult for them. No, that's bullshit. Yes. Did you know what? Did you see the play when Vera they play? Vera, my sister. I don't go fit, say, I can't to like you. Your children, if you come, I can't say I like you, I dare against your children because your blood run in your children's vein. I have to take your children now and bring it to you so that you will not say now yourself, now they show you. Egbe mere mine. If I carry your pikin now, like this, if you won't fight me now, I'll carry your pikin like this. I'll say, Vera, stole me. If you see your pikin, you don't go stole me again, you go drop her. Now they do for you so. You understand? I will carry your pikin. I will say, oh yeah, Vera, oh yeah, you won't stole me. Oh yeah, I'll use your pikin to block myself like this. You're not going to cast me again. You go drop her because now your pikin, if you want to cast me, now your pikin, you go cast. Did you see it? It's not good. This is I think, now the fourth time be this now, when your children don't they show for social media. The third time. Monica used to do life. Faye used to do life. When you with Sarah, one and set away, when I call the saga, when all of it, now the saga together, all of it carry and come out. The all of it bring and come out. Sarah go give Monica, Uncle Faye carry and come out, and now it don't come out. Now the fourth time now, when they bring your children come out, it still remain the same. You are not working on your children, my dear. Oh, we're working. You know they work for your children. Good morning. How you doing, my darling? You know they work for your children. No, let's be honest. When you do live video just back, I call in. I say, go and rent a flat for these children. Make sure say these children, they live in a good place. I think that girl where Rosemary even says, lovely even advise this girl safe. Let's throw away Saga from this place. Can they put her for Saga? How long? How long will put her for Saga? The children, they are growing up. The children, they still good. Children will be said they stay together. They still there like that good. Nothing when they never put for these children head. Because of the way the children is, because of the area the children is, because of the way the children is, even these children, they are not criminal. Then they label them criminal. Just because of the way. When children, nobody they take care of children, and then they hustle by themselves. People they say they don't they thief now, they don't they thief now. They are still together. How can you imagine you there abroad your pikin? If person has they do has person. Pikin when you supposed to put for school. How much for a term? How much for a term for school? 3 term. Now that they see for a year. You go fit cut and put the money for Agolo. Did you understood? Children sleep on chair. I feel I cry. Yes, the place where they sleep. When I see that thing yesterday, it broke heart. You are right. Yes, see the way for abroad. I mean, you go with form. How much for form? Capital dead here. Furniture dead there. They will do double decker. There be children do double decker for them. Good morning, Ovio. How you day? Do double decker for them. Ayo is 20 years. Make that boy go work to help his father also. No. Not be the boy. As that boy there, so now Nigeria now be there. Where did the boy, which work the boy want work? The papa put on for work. When the boy want work, at the end of the day, they'll say the boy not tailor. You will come go the happy papa. Then these children, you don't see the way when they speak. Or take back will know here. You not good like that, eh? My sister, no, you not good like that. Yeah? Your brother donate for you yesterday. From Victor, come on, from Victor, that he donate for you. All the money went from Victor donate for you. He said, go give your brother. It's not a good mother because 100. Huh? Money for everywhere. If masquerade, not perfect for house, for community, they want to carry and go another community. No say, masquerade doing no dance well for house. They know they carry and go outside. Don't they carry and go outside? The boy, that first song, they try. Then from that first one, they try. You think they know they try? Not be the first one, not be they take care of those children. You know how Nigeria is. You know, say we want their abroad now. We go feel say Nigeria they easy. Nigeria not they easy. Sometimes if I even they ask them, there is no factory in Nigeria. How Nigeria people take the survivor? Now it make you see say if you reach Nigeria now, Agbile vou Jerebe. Agbile. You see small pikin now, 18 years now, don't come on for her. 16 years, don't come on for her. When we are growing up, 16 years, you go come on for us. Where? When you still wake up in the morning. Now your mama was, oh yeah, you see they sleep? Yes. It's not good like that. It's just like, okay, she don't know how to take care of children. Why should they take care of the one with the Europe? I will say, Vera, I don't know how to take care of the children when go to Europe now. I will say no. I will know yes, they say. Don't say this is a cost. She can't even take care of the children that she have in Europe. But the children she have in Europe, she do take care of them. She go to shop and buy clothes for those children. Why did she forget those children home? Why she forget them? I don't understand. Yeah? You can buy for the one that is here. The first one that show you, that give you motherhood. You know if you buy for them? Are you kidding? How? You know the reason now? Even myself, if I pack load full years or time, I'll say, if I say, I carry this load, go house. Sometimes I go say, before I go come do one. Yeah? People, they gather load, carry, go house. People, they gather load, carry, go house. There is a way when person take they leave. You know, many of us there now, when we say, we get clothes. At the end of the day, the clothes will come to them. If you don't tire, you will carry and go to. You, as a mother, I beg go, now we get children, I beg. If you not close, say, you not the use I go, there is a way. I beg. You feel help me pack away. If you feel help me help me clean now, I beg. If not see small money, I will still give you, I beg, you go help me post on. Yes, you go help me post on. Then they see like that. You'll see some people that they'll say, I bet you get close when you know they use again. They'll say, well, I bet I won't go give my family from Nigeria. No, all of them, they say, they cheat. Now get past. Now get past. At the Roma. At the end of the day, they don't see where on a run pass. I want to give a run that bera. Aki yoganya, lovely, and no run that bera. The preach when I tell you run pass there. Or I show me I don't pass here just now. I don't where the breeze where you carry people where you sit down for there. It's not good. It's too much. That woman should look Vera beg go Western Union. Carry 500 euro come on for his house. Go send and go give those children. Make this act, this barbaric act, make it stop. Go and do that. Go do that, please. Enough is enough. On this say, on another chair, I want to sack you. If I sack you, but both the red head when you walk, why don't get me like red? No. And if you not say, when our children take the children, we not carry our children enter abroad. Make una no advice. Why advice is Vera? Because if not the advice Vera not go here. If you be bottle away like Suzy, if you be bottle away like Suzy, I beg, no advice Vera don't go take her. If you advise Vera, say you open platform advise Vera no can never, for your advice, Vera no go see road, go take care of your children. Because why? Vera will say, Okpa mahi. Okpa mahi, now so. Now people when know how to take care of children. You are welcome, my darling, my namesake, lovely Godwin. Yes, if you know that when Mama we were like Webo, no advise Vera because Vera no get waiting go take for you at the end of the day. Vera go say, "All I no go we Nigeria. Hey, why they talk to me? You carry your picky con. Vera don't need your advice. Suzy, Vera don't need your advice. Carry your hypocrite. Go there. Stop. You people should stop doing hypocrites. She need honest people. I want need honest. As I dey iron for here now. Many people don't wake up, they'll get close with them. When they'll say, lovely, don't they iron? Before they'll know, they don't start to say, may I go iron? No, this woman be don't tire. May I don't go iron? You don't motivate me to go iron. You don't carry your picky, no talk to Vera. No, they use hypocrite again. We should stop hypocrite. That is why something is not working well. Something is not working well. Mama Suzy, they even need to donate for you. I donate to nowhere. No real guy where we Nigeria. Lovely, not they work. Oh, now you they work. You they work. You know if invite your picky come. A pity. Eh? Mama Suzy. You they work. You know if invite your picky come. 3 hours work. Now you want to invite? Yeah, I pray. Oh. Eh? Well, we Nigeria me when mama ye boy, me go work. Me take carry picky come for inside. Kill some market. Kill some market aujourd'hui. Anyway, l'écouter. On a te donc yo, il y a nous kokomo. Il y a nous kokomo oui, maman, grandmother. This person, German first lady, Modailo. Any man need any that woman say lovely shut up and say mama here because of you here like webo. I not do original. Na. When mama you we dirty. How me go hypocrite in me? How know how to do hypocrite? You know carry your picky co. You they come they say you want come talk to Vera. Vera want come tell listen to you. How wa me Vera hi? Na wow. Go Jerry. Oko yoga down. When you want brush. First take another first say you want brush. Second say you want brush too. Anyway, you don't get it, they say, me, you don't get, I don't get. Now, Suzy, you don't get waiting, you take past Vera. No advice, Vera. You don't date Euro for many years, you know build house. Vera don't date Euro for 10 years, you know build house. Vera don't date Euro, you don't date Euro for 30 years, you know bring your daughter come. Vera don't date Euro for 10 years, you know carry any of your picky come. Where you want to advise Vera? What if Vera want to take for table? What do you bring on table? When Vera will read they go pick one common. Eribo, John Avade. Eh? Oribo, where for they come? Eh? Where for they come? Eh? Now this saga when Vera used to do just back. Now you they come say you want help her. I pray oh. Mama Suzy go bring your picky con Europe and stop fooling yourself. Eh? So ridiculous. Are you kidding? Now wow, person will look at person enter. He get one picky look at enter. He said me Vera will get fed 10 children. Now 10 he gets. This Vera self. And then I man a bow. Yeah, Yasha. Before Vera go reach 40 years. Yeah, why won't me now football team? Or by football team banner. Eh? We are be working in Nigerian Rebwebo. Eh? They're not there any club for Nigeria. They're not they play football. Ibati football. They go wear the stockings, wear the shoe. Go say, no, mama bring a come for me. Oh. You say, I want to go play football. I'm with ball Vera, you no try. Vera, no, they do saga. My sister. No. No. Vera, no. I don't follow you play. I hate irrelevant play. You yourself don't say I be honest person. Vera, you know say I be honest person. You see this? All those rubbish? Go and take care of your children, please. Enough. The first time when they carry your children has come. After 2 years, they carry and come again, the same. After 3 years, they carry and come again, the same. 4 years now, they cannot come again the same. No, 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 no. No, 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 no change. Or as we're changing, yeah. As your brothers with your sister on a saga, you will say, I'm not go my house. I'm not go see my children. I say, even say they want carry camera before they will come drop her. They know why Georgie. Or you're going born with the Georgie. If you say, yeah, Georgie. Any second, Bena. That place to me second now. Look at where your children are sleeping, Vera. Even pig self, no fit sleep for there. No. Bullshit. Oh, yo. No. Hey. Benjamin. Where wo? Where? Me wa kinle and then you were going night. Oh, the great railway, no. You were your lu. Oh, yo. Any wohani. I can't get when you wohani for. I already Josu. I can't jo or bono soye. Obo. I joy Josuno sole. I can't get when you wohani for. Anytime they bring, now the worst part of it. Or why working woman dark barry? Or why? Oh, Jenny. On also getting sometimes, I bello koto. You yet do ya bello koto volivio. I'm you dry bele. Or why Nina be? I be better because Bawotiena. Ejere was seke. Everywhere be seke. No, Benjamin, please. I don't know whether you sit there with Vera again. I don't know how you take there with Vera, my brother. When I go about Gole, Samari cooking. When I go about Akio a man from Misha. No guy. We won't suppose that me again. We are open where you're for. You pack and put for login. You get 100%. Guys, you will not see somebody where they go to jail say, about guy. People where they carry motor go Nigeria go say, guy, Benjamin, you can't do that for crying out loud. That man is a very good man. Oh, na ewa mu. Oh, yeah, one mu. One no one Facebook. Bini oye, akisa bawa obo. Abama wa worek botonya. You are again you word you can finish out tagba. Don't say my whole thing joke more enter. Let me see the comment. Our Asian brother. I am so yes. Our brother no try. Benjamin we are we are nena yo Benjamin Vera fed born before. Now you can see Vera not tell you say don't born before. We kid we can say careful. On a second we kid are clean on a second. We kid we can say careful one. Well Benjamin oh yo we are go. Ikbero mi aye mionanya e wodi ye chege nya Benjamin okwo no bienye imo nse we no velo na Benjamin the woman we born for you children no go for eye wetin dey happen wetin dey happen wetin dey happen if he carry bag now say na Ghana must go bag na this person carry go where for where they carry cargo. This is why do you know the problem these people have? They are not exposed. You know when you expose, you there everywhere. You go see somebody will say, person they go Nigeria, I beg. Person won't carry cargo, you won't carry. I think those are the people Vera supposed to the nego with, not social media. Outside social media, do your things outside social media. There is a lot. Like me, if I want to carry something, go house now. I go call 2 or 3 people. I bet I want to carry load, go house. So they'll say, okay. They'll come carry me. I carry the load, go. Or maybe the person will come, you will carry me, you will carry the load. Person when they go Nigeria, they go just put on. If not 200 or if not 150, they go just, I go pay. Give children. That's not good now. I don't know where you're at. when they block or why buy, eh? We don't already the concern of it. I never wanted to talk on this issue. The way I see Benjamin father, picture they fly everywhere. Eh? He get us a B. I'm about giant now. He get us a B. Eh? Picture no see Benjamin. I be Benjamin. I just see him. Eh? I correct picture no see me Vera. I don't see Benjamin. I read tomorrow. Eh? Benjamin, I beg, no feel or concern here. No, say, I want to talk out. No, don't feel say, this one no concern me. No, Benjamin, no, it's not like that. Please. When I walk, I mean because like Benjamin now, I know say Vera they respect Benjamin. Eh? But also say as a man, when Benjamin be, as Vera be. Vera can give that respect of, what you say, 75% for Benjamin. If Benjamin say, Vera, go keep quiet. If Benjamin tells say, Vera, oya, come on, go buy this thing. You know, I know they go, I not get money, oh. Benjamin say, oya, get up. You go follow on. Okay, they crying. Oh, yo. On I hello. It's somebody cooking. No. This one not good. Yes. This one is a total shame. It's a disgrace. Bringing disgrace to Benjamin, bringing disgrace to your father is not good. Do you think your father will be happy about it? Go to social media. They never say better. I want to use this message, give Sarah brother and with Sarah sisters and with Sarah the family of Vera, please. I want to use this to take beguna. Make una know they insult Benjamin father again. No. But now they insult Benjamin father again. No good. Una see say na insult, na Vera insult una papa. Una papa Vera. You see, your father didn't take it, say, he pikin swear for him, or he pikin disrespect him. He not all say because they come from in lungs. Then why insulting Benjamin father? Benjamin father not supposed to do this bullshit. Because Benjamin father no escort Benjamin come marry Vera. Yes. Benjamin father, you know, escort Benjamin father, escort pikin come marry Vera. I will say Benjamin papa now, the day when they go pay bride price, if not they drag papa now, people go, no, even the elders go say, or why, or my velo, but Vera, Benjamin no pay bride price. Then why you people insulting Benjamin father? I beg the family of Vera, Sarah T-Boss, your sister and your brother, please, you people, you have to stop. So they insult this Ishan elderly man. No, you not good like that. Because the man don't get what he do. If now they insult this man, another man fit come, you will say, who this man be to now? Wait till now, the man no be una in-law. In-law no se va. The man no be una in-law. If na in-law now, they will say, na wa in-law, na make cause they beat her. Oh, okay, my sister born for a pikin. You say my sister born for a pikin. They'll say, he marry her, he go say no. Why not they saw the man? Now the man carry his son carry the man come pay bride price on her sister head. No, why you not they insult her? You people should stop. That is not good. You people should stop to the insult Benjamin father. Or a video, no, it's not gonna work. If you not like me and insult Benjamin father, go reach that kid don't come. Vera children will still be like that. Because more you people they do more they are angry. Or you guys you think that Benjamin papa know they they verse. Even if Benjamin papa know they watch video, there is some elderly men they do watch video. They go tell us say oh picture no say what for Jereve. Eh? Me man Benjamin we go tough for we kwero ram yo. We what value that what anything when we what me or we what him. It's like you just fly on top of the rope. Eh? We can no bishi. Are you the wisdom bears? Eh? If they want to land, they will find a place when they go land put. When they land, they can spend 1 hour for there. Then the one will be saying, no, get wisdom. If they fly, go fly top of rope go use and take dance. Okay, one no again. Okay, genius. Oh, now, I'm gonna stop to the sort that man, eh? I beg. Vera family, please. When Vera, I see say una papa is sort Vera. If you guys father should insult Vera because Vera, Vera no, you know, give her that due respect when they give father. Now father come out, he insult Vera because Vera be like say, oh my, I feel right. Then your father is an elderly man. He couldn't take it. He own picking when he come out for his body. Then what do you people out there? What do you think? You guys think that Benjamin Papa is happy? The way your father was not happy, that is how Benjamin father not happy. You people should stop insulting that man. You people should stop. Enough. I beg, Sarah, brother, the rest, please. There's the due respect. They say, no, they give ourselves respect. If you people want to treat una sister, this to make una treat her one. Benjamin, when una they fight, Benjamin no bring bottle come for una. You no bring bottle come for una as a this thing. The way one after they fight Benjamin, where is them? Where are your papa? The man, I think the man is still alive. The man still there alive. Still there alive, yeah. Una live una one fight for ground. Una they fight Benjamin Papa. Benjamin Papa picture don't fall everywhere. Bear. Una not just get respect at all, especially this social media. Una talk to una because una they fight the person. Una go they bring the parents come for the fight. No, it doesn't work that way. Oh, una video. I did it all the way. Now thank you. I don't see any of this cloth. Not good like that. Vera, I beg. See now, Vera, this is when they do now. You not greet take care of your children now, eh? They don't they use and they insult Benjamin Papa. Eh? They don't they use and they insult Benjamin Papa. Tomorrow now, if you say me Benjamin come marry you, Papa will say you know they come. And say that woman when in family they insult her, whether I want follow you go pay bride price. Why the way go down? No, now they know waiting tomorrow one be. No, now see they look front, eh? Why you now go down? You know why you now go down? Now just they do something so Vera. This one is for you now. Let's say for example now, Benjamin you now go say you will come to say Benjamin come marry me oh. Benjamin now come say you want marry you go look at Papa you say my Papa no go follow me go. My Papa no go. Yes. And see Vera Papa now. Or mugbe Vera. The day when you want go pay, say you want pay Vera bride price now. Your Papa will say, I beg, I don't accept this thing. I know they go. That is it. You don't reach. Go take care of your children. The movie not the sweet again. 4 times now. I don't carry your children come out. 2020. They carry your picky come out 2020. Your children. Before you know which year is a gay when or all of them go bring the come out. 2024 now the day now. Your children condition not supposed to be like that again, Vera. Atenata, whether you're a guy. Okay, what are you sagring? Why are you sagring KO family? Wait till they make you the sag. Okay, say for example now, KO family matter, it don't go. Nobody they talk of KO family again. Your own children matter their grand now. You don't find how oh they see Facebook, okay. Oh yeah. Before you know those things where they talk, before you know, come here, don't bring bed, come. Who bring a hey now my mama oh my mama don't carry bed come oh. Oh where they zugegbe, where they chest ye we chest atenata. I need ya atenata who can bokoko. Atenata who can bokoko. I if you wear can if you wear je or je seke. You they say KO family. KO family. What are you going to talk about KO family gay? Where you never talked before. Are you trying to use KO family to disguise yourself, come out for this, your children issue? You want to say, now so your children they do. Now so your children they behave. Okay, now so the children they behave. And we say bed they there now. Everywhere fine now. If your children they talk now, people when they Facebook will say, oh your children make una enter house. Even no live video presenter go blogger. They'll say the children is okay. Why is it your own children they are still on air? Because the background is still remain the same. This background are 4 years. Do you know what is 4 years? Are you going to tell us, say, 1 year? You don't even use 1 year. 4 years. Huh? Hey, yo, I beg, Vera, this one no good. The fight don't do. Focus on your children. Belori say, but you don't copy like Mama Suzy with the Dena witch. Eh? You don't copy like Mama Suzy with the Dena witch. If they don't wish they talk now, nobody don't know whether she they talk. I see one video where they say, if they do it, I know get the turtle. He say if Mama do too much, Piki go spoil. Now I say, you do too much self. Now make Pisilia useless. You not see they don't wish now or bonishele. No gay. And I will say they don't wish bon and bon plenty. Maybe a no for be a they don't wish. Thought. Child. That one not a shame, disgrace. If I not gay, when Bonu were done myself, if I not gay, you they follow the tika for grant. You not get message to no get. You not get message to no get. And then I wish you was said now, no, not at the house. Then I wish not at the house. No at the house. I see where I not get the sagara say. I think about ta. And okay, where lovely 1995 vibe. Who are we back? When moving now, we will bowl that all these guys name were in. On one berry will tell Nure one no. That's a lovely 1995. Okay, Vitamin was said this is not joke anymore. I said before who come. They say when you they deep for inside something, this something go there. You go they see more. Okay, adare. We are kisha buegbe. You go feel count the leg of millipede. We are kisha don't try jump. But I can't look at kai wagboche koki boche kai wagboche koki boche kai. Yeah. I want to give Vera advice. Which advice did they give Vera? What did you take better pass Vera? Suzy. I see you. Vera sister, no, Vera brother, update. Suzy, where is there your platform? What will you get? Wow, Uriye, Kogbo, Almighty Obia, no beard for Nigeria. You know, if you carry a con. You know, if you carry a con. Person when no fi carry piki con. I want top for person matter. Now, wow, see wahala. Now, here, now they forgo buy shampoo of €1 as it's still rich. You know, they do shopping for this, the Belgium. You go spay, you go buy €1 shampoo, 90 cents. Oh, yeah, dog. Can you imagine? Instead of to buy shampoo for the country where they, you go spay. Only a minute, that will not be madness. Oh, Suzy. Mama Suzy. Hey! Can you imagine? Suzy go buy all like boss. You go enter bus. You go from Belgium enter bus. You go Spain. You go buy shampoo. So instead of to carry a pikin come. What should they go buy shampoo for? Na pikin. Oh, they kata. If you come, you can say, you see this shampoo good well. I'll say, I'm not hello no raveki. What your pikin supposed to they buy for you? If you go outside, come, go say, Mommy, I buy you shampoo. You see this one I don't want to wash hair. See, you will bring her. You will say, you see this one are the one where they take they spray for one piece. This one are the one where they spray for hair. You go say, You see this one? Now Spain, Olana was the ticket all the way from Belgium. You go Spain, go do shopping. That will not be madness. Only when me watch now, I will just from here, buy ticket. Say I want buy something for Italy. Now my girlfriend went to Italy now go tell say I bet so things like this let me buy them. I will go send money go give her. You go help me ship her for there. Okay, then you name him once in Nigeria. Percy, Vera sister, and Vera brother went update. All of them when they call you, they be yaya people. They don't see me come. If you like say Vera even better pass themselves. Now because say Vera house, they see and I make them. If they bring Suzy, Piki house now, una go wrong. The area waiting for even rent her for a Piki self. We know everything she dey hide. She don't know say lovely aka noria for you don't say your information will they get her. Don't worry, one day we'll come show your Piki. One day we'll come show your Piki, don't worry. It doesn't attack. Now where Vera children they sleep. You better pass Suzy yo. Where Suzy daughter they sleep. Now you see they see if I they see them sometimes. You go where now what's all get by Dimamba. What are they mission? See the second one went there. The boy went there, don't enter house. You know carry money wuru for social media. My your boy legal with social media. The other day I see say they do for they go. From Victor, Okonurie, Okiama, from Victor, Okonurie, Okiama, what you say? It done on my, and then they will know mine. Now say leave that thing. We shall mine. That mujame, that be now, now why one will not be now. Ooh, well. What did they call that animal self? I no manager. No manager. You no mind. Don't move down. Don't be now. Now who? You no mind. They be now for you. Failure. You wish you no mind. Wherever we mighty maker, you no mind. Where they Nigeria. Now I want to help you make them. Irrelevant. You know mine. The picking where the great grandchildren of you know mine. Now be now with your picking be this age now. May I tell you? You know mine. The great grand honor Rosso or mono ibiana. Now with your picking. Now be this age. May I tell you? You know mine. Don't move down. Don't honey my work bear. Don't honey my work bear. No say akbobe they do it, they go. You know mine. Come fight for me with akbobe. Now say which akbobe? Before akbobe they were they he call you know mine. You know mine. Now say I be found on that TikTok. When I want go gwaneyo ta. Now so my people Vera this your Odechi na lie. When I see your video, I see the hand when you they clap was not, you know, cause they sufficient again. And the laugh when you they laugh, the laugh is full of pain. My sister, no person go tell you say may you repair your something. Because the one when you they feel say that they Europe now you want to take care of them. Now you they take care of them now they want to help you. I know monolu no that don't they know picking what you go do for a person. Anyhow way it be, even if say 100, trade them the same way. When you take trade them, I make good mother when you get children. Now the same way now they train his children. Did you hear me? Vera, did you see the message I just give to you?